Good morning! Tomorrow it's time to travel again for me. I'm traveling to Paris for the weekend and I thought, well, I will be packing again, so I will give you some tips and packing hacks I use myself every time I pack. I made a list of 10 things I would like to share with you, and yeah, this will just be a short video of that. So the first thing I will start with is keep a list of necessities you need to bring along. So like a toothbrush and just that basic stuff. Of course, it's handy to keep that stuff apart already and just fill your toiletry bag with it so you can't forget it. Tip 2. I actually bought some new bags because my old bag with toiletries is really full and it can't close anymore. So I bought a new one so I can fill this one up and that will look very clever. Of course, you need to show it at the security check so they can see it in the see-through bag. You just can pull this bag out, put it on the counter, and they just can tell if it's okay what is in there. So that's very easy. That makes it very fast over there. I also use these bags, which is tip number 3. It's a package of 6 bags in here and you can just organize your stuff. There are small pockets in here so you can keep your laundry separated. You can get your outfits for the days separated. I'm going there for 3 days so I can organize it and I know what outfit I wear every day. And bring a plastic bag as well because you can get your laundry separated at the end and that's just really easy. Tip number 4. Bring a bottle of water. You can drink it on the way, but you have to make sure it's empty at the security check. Fill it again after it. If you have no time, you can just run to the toilet, just go to the bathroom, fill your bottle of water and just run to the airplane. You can also buy it over there, but if you are short on time, it's just really easy to do it like that. Tip number 5. Always bring an extra pair of shoes. They might get wet, you might get blisters on your feet, so it might be nice if you have some other pair so you can change it. And of course, it's really nice if you can basically keep one outfit and one dress, maybe some socks and some underwear and your toothbrush in your hand luggage. So if your luggage gets lost, you at least have clothes for a day and an evening. If you're going out for dinner or maybe something like that, that's really chill. You don't have to worry too much because at least you have clothes for the next day. Tip number 7. I do this basically a lot. I bring old stuff so I can dispose it at the place of arrival. Basically, I have underwear, socks and pajamas. I always bring old stuff so I can wear it over there, and once I've worn it, I can just throw it away and I have extra space in my luggage. So if I buy something over there, then I have still some space in my luggage to take it home again. So that's really a travel hack I learned during this year. It's just so much more relaxed because you don't have to worry like, oh my god, I don't have space and I just bought this, so should I throw this away or this away? No, you know what you can throw away. And of course, always bring a sleep mask. Whether it's in the plane, whether it is in a room with no curtains, you never know where you will end up. I have been in rooms with like no curtains. I've been in rooms with like really thin white curtains. They just don't help, so sleep masks always help me. Tip number 9 already. Bring a power bank. Make sure that if your plane is delayed, that you can still charge your phone. Make sure you can just charge it on the plane, so if you get out of it, you can call a cab or you can just use it to get to your destination. Not every airport has charging docks. So, for example, Copenhagen Airport is excellent. You can charge your phone everywhere. Every place in the restaurant has like 2 extra USB ports where you can put your phone in. So that's really cool and really easy, but you have to make sure you have something to do on the plane. I had it before. I had an overseas flight. I was flying there for 11 hours and I was like, I'm gonna watch TV, I'm gonna save my phone, I don't need a power bank, it's okay. And then I was sitting down and they were like, I'm sorry, the multimedia system is broken, so you can't watch TV. I didn't bring any magazines, I didn't bring a computer, I didn't bring a power bank. I was basically just fucked. I had to sit there for 11 hours and I just had nothing to do. I hadn't magazines, I had nothing. So that's also a tip. Bring something to do. If your phone runs out, if your computer works out, and if the multimedia system doesn't work, make sure you have a book, a magazine. Just basically something that keeps you busy during the flight, because otherwise it will get so boring. Actually, after 5 hours I was sick of it and I still had to do 6 hours. And the last tip I want to give you already is make sure you wear the heavy stuff. So if you're bringing an extra pair of shoes, make sure you are wearing the heavy shoes, the heavy coat, the heavy sweater, because if you put your heavy shoes in there and they are like 2 kilos and you have light shoes which are like not even a half a kilo, it's really better to put that in your hand luggage and make sure it doesn't get overweight. So yeah, and of course make sure you book your weight in time before you arrive to the airport, because there it will be much more expensive and they will sometimes be really like, oh, we can't have extra luggage, you have to clear some things because the plane is full. That are the tips from me. I hope you really enjoyed it. I'm flying to Paris tomorrow and you can see the video of that one next week. So I will have a nice weekend and I hope you do too. So have a nice weekend. Bye bye.